Morning, sir.
A very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Fine. Not good, but fine. Very good. Okay. So we have the both classes together. So today, I think in 10C, the poem is not completed. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we will take that half portion now. So for 10B, it will be little more uh, clear to understand. Then next day onwards, tomorrow onwards, we will begin the new chapter. Maybe today itself we will begin the new chapter. Another thing, a, a dime, another ball is worthless. The poet says, if I give the boy a coin, it is meaningless because the boy will not be satisfied with the coin. He would say, I don't want money, I want my ball. Another ball is worthless. Another ball, giving another ball. I would say, the poet would say, my dear boy, this is of 10 rupee ball. I will give you a 100 rupee ball. I will give you an imported ball. What the child would say, Gerlin, I don't want, I want my ball. So it is meaningless. It is worthless to say to him that we would give him money, a dime. It is worthless that we would give him another ball. A dime, another ball is worthless. Now he senses first responsibility. Now he senses first responsibility in a world of possessions. He senses first responsibility. Now, when he had lost the ball, he began to think. He began to think. What did he think so well? When he was crying there, nobody came there to console him. He was crying and crying and crying. He was crying and crying and crying. When nobody came, he began to think. He thought, what is the matter? What to do? So now he realized that it was his responsibility. It was his responsibility to take care of the ball. You see, now underline, he senses. He senses means he realizes, he understands, he senses first responsibility. Responsibility in a world of possessions. In a world of possessions. He says, attend very carefully, ball is my possession. You possess many things. You possess many things. Gerlin, you possess a notebook. You possess a mobile. You possess a dress. You possess a house. You possess a car. In this world, people have a lot of possessions. A lot of possessions. And the child understands that the ball was a possession. The ball was a possession. He senses responsibility in a world of possessions. People will take balls. You see, people will take balls. Balls will be lost always, my little boy. If you have, Angelo, if you have a ball, what will happen? Your brother will take it. Am I right? You have a brother. I think so. Do you have a brother?
No, sir, sister.
Sister is there, isn't it? You have a sister. Younger or elder sister?
Younger.
Younger. Ah, she is a very kurumbi, isn't it? She is so kurumbi. So our Angelo has a ball. That is her possession. On her birthday, her father bought a beautiful ball and gifted her. And she sleeps with that ball. She plays with that ball. Even while she was studying, she was playing with the ball. There are some people, Eva, there are some people who are sleeping with the teddy bear. Gauri Nandana, there are some children, isn't it? They have teddy bear with, not you. There are some people. They have a teddy bear with them, very large teddy bear. And when they sleep, they will hold it and sleep. Isn't it? So, because, Noble, am I right? I will be sending you 2 rubber bands, okay, without cost. So, you see, ball is a possession. Money is a possession. Swati, suppose you have 2 lakhs rupees with you, pocket money, 2 lakhs. Ah, yes, Swati is very happy. So, 2 lakhs rupees as pocket money. Will you sleep properly? No. Thieves will come. They may take. They may take because it is your ball. Money, that money is your ball. Ball means a possession. What happens? If it is a possession, there is a chance of losing it. Lena, am I right? If it is a possession, there is a chance of losing it. Suppose Lena bought a silk chocolate. Dairy milk silk is there, isn't it? Dairy milk silk chocolate, she bought it and she kept it in the fridge. To get crispy. Do you have a brother? Younger one? What is his name?
Lionel.
Yeah, Lionel. Lionel. Lionel means lion. You have to be very careful. Lionel Messi, isn't it? You should be very careful. So, Lionel also kept his eyes on the fridge. She kept silk dairy milk inside. And she thought, after bath, I will come and take and eat it. But on the time she kept in the fridge, from that time onwards, Lena feels that it may be lost. I have a lion here. It may be lost. Am I right? He will take. Lena is very sure. So if it is a possession, there is a chance of losing it. So here, the child understands that since the ball is a possession, it is my duty to keep it with. It is my duty to take care of it. Anthony Maxi, I am going to delete you. Don't you open the Anthony Maxi?
Yes, sir.
If you can't open your video, you can go back from the platform. Why don't you understand? Forget. Karthik. Karthik. If it is not on, you quit the platform. Don't attend. I will not give you attendance. I won't give you attendance. And at the end, there will be the absence. If there is absence, loss of attendance will be there. You will not get the percentage. So, and no one buys a ball back. No one buys a ball back. Money is external. So instead of the lost ball, nobody can purchase the same ball. Ball is lost. And money is external. Money is not important for the boy. Money is not important for the boy. He is learning. So the child is learning something new. The boy is learning something new. What is he learning? You see, he is learning well behind his desperate eyes. You see, when he lost the ball, he became desperate. He became desperate. Because he loved that ball very much and he lost it. So he became sad. When he was sitting with sadness, he was learning. Now, there will be such kind of thinking. Some of the students might have told their parents, Mama, this time I will get very good marks. I have studied. Marks I am going to post you by tonight or tomorrow. I have studied this because they promised last year when they had to write repeat exams, when they had got very less marks in 9th annual examination, they promised the chairman, they promised the class teacher, they promised the VP, they promised their parents, in 10th I will get very good marks. And their parents were expecting, my child had promised me, Rohan, and my child has promised me of good marks, and in the coming examination, he will be showing, and today or tomorrow the list is going to be published, where against the name very poor mark is published. So he will be sad, desperate. The child will not, or you teenager will not have the courage to look at your parents. My promises are worthless. My promises are worthless, useless. I promised Mama, this time Mama, I will get better marks than my brother. He promised his mother, I would get better marks than my brother. Now today I'm going to post your marks. And surely I know 100% your mama will call me today. Mummy will call me today. Okay, so I will give the answer to her. So you see, in this desperate experience, in this sorrowful experience of a loss, the child was learning something. What is that? The epistemology of loss. Underline. Underline. He was learning. He is learning behind the desperate eyes the epistemology of loss. The epistemology of loss. What do you mean by epistemology? Wherever you see logy, psychology, sociology, anthropology, epistemology, logy. The logy comes, not a Hindi song, logy. That one Hindi song is there. Oh, some are thinking, Gauri, some are thinking. When I said logy, they were thinking, remembering the song, Hindi song. Here I am talking about logy, English word. English word. It comes from a Latin word. It comes from a Latin word. The Latin word is logos. Logos. Christian students may remember logos quiz. Alnaros, have you written logos quiz? No, sir, I haven't heard it, isn't it? Alna says, I haven't heard it.
Yes, sir.
You have heard it.
Yes, sir.
Logos quiz. You don't know the meaning of logos, isn't it? And you are writing quiz for last 5 years. For last 5 years, she was writing quiz. And the name of the quiz is Logos quiz. And she does not know the meaning of the word Logos quiz. Logi comes from the word logos. The word logos means science. 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 Episte means knowledge. Episte means knowledge. Episteme. Episteme. Knowledge. So, what is epistemology? Science of knowledge. Science of knowledge. Psychology. What is the meaning? Psychology. The science of the mental, isn't it? Mental people. Roshan, science of the mentals. That is called psychology. If you are taken to your psychologist, psychiatrist, people will say, okay, yes, going. He is a mental. CK, psyche plus logos. That is the meaning. PSYCHE, psyche. Clear now? You see? Oh, very good. P. So, okay. PSYCHE. That is pronounced as CK plus logos is equal to psychology. Logos means science. CK means mind. Science about the mind. Science about the mind. So here epistemology is science about knowledge. So he learned a new knowledge. What is the new knowledge? To stand up. Stand up means to face. To stand up. To face, F-A-C. How to stand up. How to face challenges. You see, the epistemology of loss, how to stand up, knowing what every man must one day know, and most know many days how to stand up. So from this loss of the ball, the boy, the child learned a lesson, epistemology. What is that lesson? How to face challenges, how to face difficult situation. When a difficult situation is in front of you, you should not sit and cry. You have to face it. If you have lost the ball, if you stand there and cry, there is no meaning. There is no meaning. You have to take action. If you have lost marks in class 9, what is the meaning of sitting and crying? No meaning. You have to take action. You have to take decision that I will study much better. So from this loss of the ball, he learned the epistemology of loss, that is how to face difficult situation. This is the inner theme of the poem. In our losses, we have to learn how to face situations. You were simply moving here and there. During the time of Corona, you faced a lot of difficulties. Last year, many of you did not attend classes also. You click the link and you are doing some other things. But you now realize that if I do this year, we will not be able to cover. We will not able to score. So you have learned from the loss. Last year, you lost a lot of marks. Marks was your possession. So Adi, do you follow me? Marks was your possession last year, and you lost it. From that loss, you learned a lesson that I have to get marks for which I have to work. This is the epistemology of knowledge. How to face challenges. The boy learned that. This is the poem, and this is an important poem for board exam. One question is sure. The question I am going to give you, right? The epistemology of laws, right? At the bottom. The epistemology of laws, how to stand up. That line you write. That line you write. In inverted comma. It is a quotation. Full stop. Then write. Explain the meaning of this sentence. Explain the meaning of this sentence. Explain the meaning of this sentence.
Yeah.
Based on the poem. Based on the poem. Based on the poem. Explain the meaning of the poem. Meaning of this line based on the poem. Clear? This is for Monday morning. Today it is Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday morning it should be filed. Okay? And I think all are doing the portfolios well, isn't it?
Yes,
you have
sir.
to reach. You have to reach around. You have to reach around 15 creative works. Every Sunday you do it, 2 each. So complete your portfolio by this month. And I think you have written that 2 pages each for Christo. Good morning. Christo, good morning. So, and all should write that
Yes.
physical education, work education, and general studies, 2 pages assignment. Clear now? I will send you the cover page. After that, next class, I will tell you about the English assignment. By that time, you finish this work. Okay. By this week, finish the work education, physical education, general studies, assignments, and continue the work of portfolio. Next week, I will explain my English assignment for board exam. Okay. Okay, thank you. I end the class.